party people. Hello. It is Randee. Look what came in the mail. This is January's Dollar Bead Box. So this is a Dollar Bead Box subscription. If you're new around here and you have not seen this is going to be fun. So let's jump down and see what Dollar Bead Box has to offer us in 2025. Let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alright guys, here we are, down on the mat. Winter's digging in the trash cans. Get out of there. Can't do nothing. We're going to break into this bad boy and see what Dollar Bead Box has to offer. Now, if you haven't been around for Dollar Bead Box, I'm going to put all of their information in the description below. You can visit them at dollarbeadbox.com, and it is a monthly subscription that comes to you every month. Okay. So we have our additional bead bag. So this is an additional cost to get the bead bag. Oh, looks like we're going pink. We're prepping for February. Okay, so this is our January 2025 Dollar Bead Bag Czech glass fire polish. Generally always comes with 3mm strands and 4mm strands. I'm not going to read this because they tell me information. So, we like to be surprised. Okay, and then we give this paper to Bunsen because it's his favorite part of all the bead boxes. And we jump right in. Okay? So, it looks like, I'm going to put these to the side. We got a little sneak peek. Okay, so they do tell us the names of all of these fire polish. But like I said, you generally get the 4s. You get 4 4s, 4 4s, and 4 3s. Okay, so there is the 4s. And there is the 3s. And a lot of times they'll send two, at least two, that are the same color. These two are looking pretty close, and those two are looking pretty close. It's a little bit lighter. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's my eyeballs. So there we go. Those are our bead strands. They're looking very Valentine's Day. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put those over here. Now we're going to start with the strands that come in the box. Okay, get this out of my way. Okay, so we'll start with those. And that looks like all of them. We're going to zoom in. Just a smidge. Okay, so these guys are looking like a little strand of probably 2mm Chinese crystal. In this dark red color. Very cute. Some cherry tomato red in these Czech, little Czech drukes, it looks like. Well, kind of. They're a little bit elongated for drukes. Ooh, some little flower heads. Some little flower heads. These are pink Czech glass flower heads. I call them flower heads. You can make some cute stuff with those. I like them. And we got the flower spacers, which is also cute. So from this direction, they just look like a little spacer, but when you flip them up like this, they're actually like a little flower. I don't know what color you would call this. We can look on the list. We have some pink. Is that AB? Pink AB. Drukes. Those are very pretty. Czech glass. I like those a lot. And then we have some baby pink Randee Czech glass. Okay, so those are our little strands. Here's what they look like all together. pretty good. Put those to the side. And then we're going to start in with these little bags. Oh, these are cute. We've seen these many times from the Dollar Bead Box. But they do make some cute earrings. They're like little elongated hearts. And these ones seem to have like a shiny kind of AB finish on. Those are super cute. We have two opaque pink, baby pink type twisted Czech glass beads. Those will look cute for earrings. These would actually look cute for these. Would you look at that? Right out of the box. We might have to make those. We might have to make those. I'm going to put them in this cup. That'll be part of our projects. I do like to use this box for some earring making. It makes for some really nice earrings. Here we have some pink Czech glass drops. These, again, would also make really cute earrings. I don't think we've seen these specific type of drops before. Shine a little light on the subject. Very cute. I'm just going to put them in this little cup. Next up, we have a large, this is probably like, I don't know, got to be a 16 maybe, a 14, it's probably like a 16, 14. Czech glass flower head, right? That would make a nice focal, perhaps for a bracelet. That would be very cute. It's got the orange wash inside. Orange. That's not orange. That's gold, y'all. That is gold. Gold wash on the inside. That's very cute. I do like that. And we do have those red from the extra bag. We do have those red. So, hey, got that going on. All right, next up we have some little, these kind of remind me of candies. But they're little rectangulars, little Czech glass rectangles. Those would be cute in a bracelet, like wire wrapped. Oh no, they let the roosters in here! These guys are cute. These are red with like a AB on them. Those would be cute. With this little flower. Look at us. We're just creating projects. Got some little hearts here. Those are for Valentine's Day. Those are a pair of earrings. Who knew this was going to be a planned video? We're just going to drop them down. 1, 2, 3. Who knew? Who knew? But here we are. Must be exciting. I must be excited for 2025. Oh, now we could have some matching earrings to go with our bracelet over here. Or perhaps, well, they're a little bit redder than the others. They're a little bit more red than this other one. That's fine. We need a little depth in our life. We could add those to the bracelet. Or you can make matching earrings. Depends on what you want to do. Here we have what looks to be some probably swan imitation Baroque pearls. That would be my guess. They're glass. Generally, or they're Czech. They're probably Czech. The pearls I send though, they have that nice Czech coating on, so it doesn't scratch up easily. So I do like that. Now, I'm not sure what I want to do with those. So I'll just put them in here until something good strikes us. we got a cute little, well, he's not little, he's kind of ginormous. Oh my goodness, and he's double-sided. Would you look at that? Now you know Thunder Horse Descendant is big on butterflies in the month of January. If you were not aware, now you know. Why? Transformation. This could also be a moth. We could put a little patina paint on there if we needed to. Now he's very cute, and I do like him a lot. He's got an up and down situation. He would probably have to be a pendant, right? Well, I mean, he wouldn't have to be. You could go this route, but I don't know if that's the route I necessarily want to go. But for now, I'm just going to put him here. I'm not going to commit him to anything at this particular moment in time, because we have a few more what appear to be kind of folkly type businesses going on. Look at this heart. Now I swear we've seen this heart before. I don't know if it was from Dollar Bead Box, but it's very cute. It's given very vintage vibes. This has got Art Nouveau written all over it, in case you were wondering. It is very cute. I'm not exactly committed to where I want to put that quite yet. We have one left. The last one, oh, this looks to be a little pewter, a little bit of probably pewter, a little heart. And this is quite cute, and it is double-sided. Now I will say, this little nub right here, we're gonna have to file that down. It's a little sharp. I have very sensitive skin, and if I was to be wearing this on my neck or on my bracelet, it would be problematic. So we'll see if we can't get that guy filed down, but if we can, he will be great for projects. All right, so we're gonna put that here. This is the easiest dollar bead box we've ever done in our whole life, and look, we have a plan. Let's just see what they tell us real quick. For the month of January, we are pulling our inspiration from next month's celebration, creating jewelry for Valentine's Day. Oh, we called it. Creating jewelry for Valentine's Day can be a delightful way to express your love and appreciation, whether you observe the occasion or not. Even if Valentine's Day isn't your tradition, crafting jewelry inspired by themes of love and connection makes for thoughtful gifts and timeless pieces for yourself. The January exclusive offer at Dollar Bead Box, so they've started doing an exclusive offer, is 10% off Czech glass drops, and then it gives you a time, and then it gives you a code. I'm not going to give the code because it's for subscribers, but it does give you the list in the back here of the strands and the additional items. So let's just take a little look-see here. Vintage style Czech glass heart, pewter filigree heart. So it is a pewter heart. So we should be able to file down those two little nubs in order to make it a little more usable. I'm not mad at it. It's very detailed and cute. Okay. So that is that. So here's what we're going to do. Who knew you were going to get an unboxing and a plan all in one today? This one is going to be a bracelet. Now let's not forget we have all these items to work with. These guys here, the little heart earrings, easy peasy. We could give those out as a gift. We're not going to add anything to those. Now, since this is going to be a bracelet, we are going to be adding a few little beads, and I'm just going to pick one strand out from here, and I think I'm going to go with these fours. No, I'm going with the fours. Decisions. Or am I going with the cherry tomatoes? I think let's go with the cherry tomatoes just for fun. Okay, this is going to be a wire wrapped bracelet. These guys here, earrings, easy peasy lemon squeezy. not much more we need for this. Perhaps a crystal. These guys I'm going to put with the vintage heart. Now I'm going to make this into a bracelet because I think even though this will be sideways, it'll be cute. You could go this way as well and maybe hang it on the side. Up to you. I'm going to go with this, and I think I'm going to pair it with these 4mm red fire polish in the matte. The heart is kind of matte. It's going to make those pearls the star of the show, and that is what we want. We have a bracelet. Now, over here, I think we should go with, now these little pink squares would make a nice bracelet with this guy. What are we going to put with him? The rondelles? Oh, no ma'am. These two are slightly not the same. Are they the same? You know what, they are the same. I'm going to go with these two. I don't know if you can see, underneath they have a creme brulee type original coating with like a pink AB over the top. I don't know if you can see that. When I first looked at them, I thought they were different color. I didn't notice that Picasso type situation going on. So I'm going to go with that. We're going to make that into a little bracelet. And I think I am going to also add these pink rondelles. We might do a double strand with this. I mean, we have it. Why not? All right, which leaves us with our beautiful butterfly and our little droppy drews. Droppy drews, droppy drews. Well, these are going to make smashing earrings all on their own. Let's add a bunch of flowers to the top, huh? These are not the same color. That's fine. We're not mad at it. We're going to add these little red crystals as a pop of color also to go inside of the little flower. We will grab up some filigree bead covers from the stash to put those in there. Give them a little more of a 3D look, and we'll make some little clusters on top. Those will be cute. Which leaves us with our butterfly. Now, I'm not 100% sold on the butterfly situation at this particular moment in time. So, I'm going to put him to the side for now. I'm going to say, you know, we could just do a little strung necklace, but I kind of feel like he needs a little more. And I'm just not prepared to do more with this. So I'm going to put these to the side for now. If we need them, we have them. We have one. We have two. I'm going to have to put these in my book. I'm never going to remember. 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 little projects that we can easily gift. Let me get up out of here. There we go. We have 6 little projects that we could very easily gift that are not going to take us much time to complete. And quite honestly, they're very lovely. So, if you are interested in joining the Dollar Bead Box, you can head on over there for dollarbeadbox.com. Stay tuned as we start to make some of these cute little projects. I hope you're all having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day, and I'll see you the next one. Bye-bye.